Are you ready to shape the future of sustainable energy? At FCC Enviro, we believe innovation starts with talent. That's why we created the Future Leaders Internship Program, FLIP. The FLIP program is a strategic initiative targeting engineering students in industrial, electronic, electrical, or related disciplines. It seeks to offer a unique opportunity to specialize in waste-to-energy technologies and advanced energy recovery processes within a global operational framework. FLIP is an international initiative designed for recent engineering graduates who want to make an impact. Do you think you can be a good fit? Then we're looking for you. Over a 6-month period, you will intern at an energy recovery facility, gaining hands-on experience in technological innovation, clean energy systems, and sustainable plant operations. This program is designed to accelerate your professional career by equipping you with specialized technical skills and international exposure. But what is waste-to-energy? Waste-to-energy transforms non-recyclable waste into a sustainable local source of energy, generating electricity, steam, or hot water for domestic and industrial applications, thereby reducing environmental impact and harnessing its energy potential.
Waste-to-energy is a fundamental business for FCC Enviro's development, and it will become even more relevant due to the European Union's target of 10% maximum landfill disposal by 2035. How do we reach this target? The answer is simple: waste-to-energy. We have been providing waste-to-energy solutions for over 50 years, and today we have 15 projects all over the world, with an annual throughput of more than 5 million tons and 600 megawatts power output.
I worked in FCC for 17 years and I've been involved in many KFI and PPP projects, including waste-to-energy. FCC has been at the forefront of this transformation by working along the government, building a strong fleet of energy from waste facilities, 8 in the UK and 1 more that is coming online in 2026. I love working in this industry because each of the projects bring real benefits to the local communities by producing green energy and sustainable solutions, also benefiting our shareholders, investors, and ESG.
I've been working on the waste and recycling sector for the last 14 years, taking up to different roles, starting as an environmental technician on closed landfill sites until I moved to Allington EFW as a performance engineer. Nowadays, I hold the role of Inputs-Outputs Operations Manager at Allington Energy from Waste. Working for FCC is a great opportunity to develop your professional career. We are looking for young professionals who want to leave a mark in the energy from waste industry. So far, we have had 3 engineers working with us. They have been learning how the business works, and the young vision, it has been very valuable for us.
I discovered the FLIP program through my university's employment platform and joined the ISRO plant in Nottingham. During those 6 months, not only did I apply my knowledge, improve my English, and learn about new technologies, but I also developed my master's thesis and discovered the world of energy recovery, which was completely unknown for me at the time, but which turned out to be a very interesting and a great possibility for my future. This program has allowed me to strengthen my career at FCC Enviro with new international opportunities. I'm excited for the future since I'll be working at the plant in Florida soon.
In the final year of my master's degree, I was given the opportunity to participate in the FLIP program while doing my master's thesis. I learned about the energy from waste sector working in the Lincolnshire plant for 6 months. I think energy from waste is a great sector to develop my career in because the industry is much friendlier with the environment than landfill disposal, which makes it the most effective alternative to meet the target set by the EU by 2035. In the complex European energy context, the energy from waste sector offers a sustainable and stable energy strategy to mitigate the effects of energy shortages in the industrial sector.
My internship began in January and lasted for 6 months until I finally joined the company in September. For me, it meant stepping out of my comfort zone as I had never lived abroad, and for this internship I moved to the UK to work at the energy recovery plant in Lincolnshire. I believe this sector doesn't get much attention, but it really should, because waste is in our everyday, and managing it and recycling is essential to have clean streets and healthy environments. Once you work in this field, you truly understand its importance. And I think FCC Enviro is doing its best to accomplish this mission, and I feel lucky to have found this opportunity.
I would definitely recommend participating in the FLIP program. FCC Enviro offers complete training, international exposure, and an excellent professional environment.
The program allows you to work in a booming sector that also offers good conditions, stability, and international opportunities. It is a great option for young people looking to grow professionally, so yes, I would recommend it.
The FLIP program is a great opportunity because it allows you to enter an industry with enormous potential, which often goes unnoticed. Whenever I can, I share my experience and passion to attract young talent to help achieve the sector's objectives. It is an opportunity not to be missed.
This is more than an internship, it's your gateway to a global career.
You will work alongside industry experts. You will develop your leadership skills, and you will be able to explore opportunities across our international network.
Join us and turn your ideas into solutions that matter.